Meaning of dependency.
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 Dependency. Dependency refers to a relationship between two or more entities where one entity relies on the other entity for support or assistance in order to function properly. Dependencies can be found in various contexts such as software development, project management, and supply chain management. Identifying dependencies is important because it helps ensure that all necessary resources are available for a project or system to succeed. Managing dependencies involves keeping track of these relationships and taking steps to minimize any potential negative impacts that may arise if a dependency is not properly managed.